Let's bring in criminal defense attorney and federal litigator Vikas Bajaj. The judge, Juan Merchan, Vic, lost a little bit of control of the courtroom today. Andy McCarthy said this. Watch.
Merchan overruled those objections, then let the prosecutors elicit graphic details, and then sent the jury out of the room, apparently, to lecture the prosecutors for eliciting the testimony that the judge said they could elicit. It's remarkable.
Let Stormy go on, and then chided the defense for not calling enough objections.
Andy McCarthy is absolutely right, but there's one more layer to that onion. The judge said afterwards, I'm shocked that the defense did not object more. After there were motions in limine, which are motions beforehand to determine which evidence or testimony will be let in, and this judge said, yes, you can talk about it. So one may wonder, what is the relevance on President Trump wearing satin or silk pajamas when it's an accounting case? Maybe it's a new jury instruction that I haven't seen, but this judge is actually President Trump's best friend. When the ultimate question is exoneration, the problem is that may come after the election.
The whole thing is she appeared very sympathetic at first. Our whole court team was saying this, and then she got hostile later, and they talked about a lot of this sexual. As you point out, there was nothing about falsifying documents, and that's what this case is all about.
Well, look, it's very salacious. It's attractive. It's a sexy bit of testimony. I was floored to believe that this judge would even allow this vast collection of details to come on in, again, in a white-collar financial crimes case. Again, I say this judge is President Trump's best friend. If the issue is eventual exoneration, he's tripped over his own feet a half dozen ways, and I believe on purpose. Unfortunately, the appellate court will have to get involved if there's a conviction close to or after the election. But at the end of the day, President Trump wins.
You said appellate court. I got to go, Vic, but is this ripe for appeal?
Absolutely. The New York appellate court has just said in a very high-profile case of Harvey Weinstein, hey, you know what? You only need to allow what's relevant. And if you allow prejudicial stuff, that's okay. But it cannot be unduly prejudicial. And therein lies the problem.
Very good point. Vikas Bajaj, thank you, sir.